Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the growth of regional fiction in the modern age. Introduction. The late 19th and early 20th centuries, known as the modern age, witnessed significant transformations in English literature. Amid this prevailing trend of literary realism, regional fiction emerged as a prominent genre, celebrating specific locales and their unique cultural landscapes. Influenced by the success of Thomas Hardy as a novelist of Wessex, authors began to craft stories deeply rooted in particular regions, enhancing the authenticity and diversity of English literature. This video explores the growth of regional fiction during the modern age, highlighting key authors and their notable works that contributed to the genre's flourishing. The influence of Thomas Hardy. Thomas Hardy's portrayal of Wessex set a benchmark for regional fiction, demonstrating how detailed and accurate depictions of a specific area could enhance the narrative's realism and emotional resonance. Hardy's success inspired other writers to focus on their native regions, fostering a literary movement that celebrated local settings and cultures. This shift not only enriched the thematic diversity of English novels, but also provided readers with immersive and relatable stories. Regional fiction in England, The Five Towns and Beyond. Arnold Bennett and the Five Towns. Arnold Bennett is a quintessential figure in the development of regional fiction in England. His depiction of the Five Towns, a fictional amalgamation of industrial towns in the Portuguese area, offered a microcosm of English urban life. Bennett's best work, centered around these towns, captured the intricacies of industrial society, exploring themes of social mobility, economic disparity, and personal ambition. His novels provided a realistic portrayal of the daily lives and struggles of ordinary people, making him a household name and a significant contributor to regional fiction. Constance Holm and Westmoreland. Constance Holm's novels are emblematic of regional fiction's dedication to specific locales. Set in Westmoreland, her works include Crump Folk Going Home 1913, The Lonely Plough 1914, The Splendid Faring 1920, and The Trumpet in the Dust 1921. Although Holm gained little recognition during her lifetime, her novels offer a rich and authentic portrayal of rural life, capturing the essence of Westmoreland's landscapes and communities. Her meticulous attention to detail and commitment to depicting everyday life contributed to the genre's depth and authenticity. Eden Phillpotts and Devonshire. Eden Phillpotts, a prolific novelist of Devonshire, further exemplified regional fiction's appeal. His notable works including Children of the Mist 1898, The Human Boy 1899, and The Secret Woman 1905 delve into the lives of Devonshire's inhabitants, exploring themes of tradition, social change, and personal identity. Phillpotts' ability to intertwine local color with universal human experiences made his novels resonate with a wide audience, solidifying his place in regional literature. Regionalism in Scotland and Ireland. The Cailliard School in Scotland. Regionalism flourished most strongly in Scotland and Ireland, where writers created vivid depictions of their native landscapes and cultures. The Cailliard School in Scotland, including authors like J. M. Barrie and Ian McLaren, real name John Watson, focused on the Scottish countryside, often sacrificing background accuracy for popular appeal. Ian McLaren, John Watson. Ian McLaren's contributions to regional fiction include Beside the Bonnie Briar Bush 1894, A Doctor of the Old School 1896, and Kate Carnegie 1896. His novels portray the idyllic Scottish rural life, emphasizing community, tradition, and the natural beauty of the countryside. Maclaurin's works appealed to the reader's nostalgic sentiments, celebrating the simplicity and charm of rural Scotland. S.R. Crockett. S.R. Crockett, another prominent figure of the Caliard School, authored novels such as Mad Sir Uchted of the Hills 1894, The Black Douglas 1899, The Stickit Minister and Some Common Men 1893, and The Lilac Sunbonnet 1894. Crockett's stories often explore themes of honor, loyalty, and social hierarchy within Scottish society, blending regional settings with universal moral dilemmas. Gabriel Seton, Thomas Nicol Hepburn. Gabriel Seton, the pen name of Thomas Nicol Hepburn, wrote Robert Urquhart 1896 and The Skipper of Barncraig 1901. His novels delve into the lives of Scottish fishermen and their communities, highlighting the harsh realities and enduring spirit of those living in remote coastal areas. Seton's focus on regional authenticity and character-driven narratives contributed to the genre's credibility and appeal. G. D. Brown, Realism in Scotland. G. D. Brown, 1869 to 1902, was a realist novelist who wrote in a Scottish setting, notably The House with the Green Shutters 1901. His work is celebrated for its accurate portrayal of Scottish life, emphasizing social realism and the complexities of human relationships. Brown's commitment to depicting the true nature of his characters and their environments reinforced the realist foundations of regional fiction. Regional fiction in Ireland. In Ireland, the growth of regionalism in the novel was intertwined with a broader revival of Irish literature, which found its greatest expression in the poetry of W. B. Yeats and the drama of J. M. Synge. This literary renaissance was marked by a focus on Irish identity, folklore, and the socio-political landscape. Standish O'Grady. Standish O'Grady, 1846 to 1928, was a significant Irish novelist whose works include Red Hugh's Captivity 1889, The Fight of the Eagle 1896, and The Bog of Stars 1893. O'Grady's novels often explore themes of national identity, resistance, and the clash between tradition and modernity, reflecting the socio-political tensions of Ireland during this time. Emily Lawless. Emily Lawless, 1845 to 1913, authored Hurish 1886 and With Essex in Ireland 1890, novels that delve into Irish rural life and the complexities of personal and societal conflicts. Her works highlight the interplay between individual aspirations and communal expectations, offering a nuanced portrayal of Irish society. Edith Somerville and Violet Martin, or Martin Rose. The partnership between Edith Somerville and Violet Martin, pen name Martin Rose, produced Some Experiences of an Irish RM 1899, a series of stories set in the fictional Irish village of Ballycasane. Their work combines humor, social satire, and detailed regional settings, capturing the essence of rural Irish life with both affection and critical insight. Realism and social purpose. Regional fiction during the modern age was not merely about celebrating local settings. It also served a vehicle for social commentary and critique. Authors used regional narratives to highlight social issues, explore moral dilemmas, and advocate for societal reforms. Standish O'Grady and social critique. Standish O'Grady's novels often reflect his concern with social justice and national identity. Through his regional settings, he critiques colonialism, cultural erosion, and the struggles of the Irish people. using his narratives to advocate for change and resistance against oppressive forces. Emily Lawless and ethical conflicts. Emily Lawless's works explore the ethical and moral conflicts faced by individuals within their communities. By setting her heroes in specific Irish locales, she provides a backdrop against which personal and societal issues unfold, encouraging readers to reflect on the broader implications of these conflicts. Somerville and Ross. Social satire. Somerville and Ross employ humor and satire to critique the social norms and behaviors of rural Irish society. Their portrayal of the Irish middle class in some experiences of an Irish RM highlights the absurdities and hypocrisies of societal expectations, using regional fiction to question and challenge established norms. The legacy of regional fiction. The growth of regional fiction in the modern age left a lasting impact on English literature. By focusing on specific locales and their unique cultural landscapes, authors enriched the narrative diversity of the novel, providing readers with immersive and authentic stories. This movement also underscored the novel's capacity to serve as a medium for social commentary and critique, blending artistic integrity with a commitment to depicting real-life issues. Enhancing authenticity and diversity. Regional fiction's emphasis on accurate and detailed settings enhanced the authenticity of English literature, allowing for more nuanced exploration of different cultures and communities. This diversity enriched the literary landscape, offering readers a broader perspective on the human experience. Influence on future literary movements. The principles of regional fiction influenced subsequent literary movements, including modernism and post-colonial literature. The focus on local settings, cultural specificity, and social critique became foundational elements in the development of these movements, demonstrating the enduring significance of regionalism in shaping literary trends. Continued relevance. Today, regional fiction remains a vital and popular genre, celebrated for its ability to capture the essence of specific places and their inhabitants. The legacy of the modern age's regional novelists continues to inspire contemporary writers, who draw their techniques and thematic concerns to create works that resonate with modern audiences. Conclusion. The growth of regional fiction in the modern age represents a pivotal evolution in English literature, marked by a shift towards detailed and authentic portrayals of specific locales. Inspired by Thomas Hardy's success as a novelist of Wessex, authors across England, Scotland, and Ireland embraced regionalism, crafting narratives that celebrated local cultures while addressing broader social and ethical issues. Through the works of Arnold Bennett, Constance Home, Eden Philpotts, the Calliard School, Standish O'Grady, Emily Lawless, Somerville and Ross, and others, regional fiction enriched the literary landscape with its authenticity, diversity, and capacity for social critique. The enduring legacy of this movement underscores the novel's role as both an artistic endeavor and a powerful tool for reflecting and shaping societal values, affirming its place in the rich tapestry of the modern age's literary tradition. So this was the discussion on the growth of regional fiction in the modern age. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.